BARBRI's SQE course harnesses the power of cutting-edge technology and the latest developments in learning science to unchain you from the classroom environment, allowing you to experience a more individual, smarter approach to learning that's built entirely around your very own personal study plan. Your PSP gives you the flexibility and freedom to prepare for the SQE1 with the greatest chance of success, thanks to technology that understands just what you need to learn and when to get the best results from your study. How do we do that? Meet Isaac. Isaac stands for Intuitive Study Assistant and Coach, a state-of-the-art engine powered by artificial intelligence designed to see you through your SQE and out the other side as a fully qualified solicitor. Think of Isaac like your personal expert and assistant, always on hand to help you prepare for your exams with the most relevant content, lectures, practice questions and more. Through Isaac, you'll not only watch, but take part in interactive lectures and exercises to help you acquire and assess your skills in real time and all online. Isaac has already helped countless students pass the US bar exam. And because the new SQE1 shares the same multiple-choice nature as the bar exam, Isaac knows precisely how to evaluate your answers across multiple tests and subjects. These powerful insights integrate seamlessly into your PSP to recommend the best content for you to study based upon your progress to date and the time remaining before your exam, which means that with Isaac's help, you can plan your study around your lifestyle, not the other way around. In other words, Isaac was built to help you study smarter, not harder. Isaac is what happens when artificial intelligence and BARBRI's real-world intelligence come together to make your journey towards SQE qualification as smooth and stress-free as possible, freeing you up to earn as you learn or simply take things at a pace that's right for you. Want to meet Isaac right away? Book a free live demo over the phone, guided by a BARBRI advisor who'll show you just how powerful your personal study plan can be with Isaac at the heart of it.